Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I'm going to do a general product overview for you guys on the Napoleon. This is the S20. So the S20 is going to be the smallest model on this series, and it's actually the most simple as well. So you'll notice that this model does have the flat top. The other models in the series do have a step up located here on the top of the stove, which pushes a little bit more convection heat. Now you will notice that there are air gaps located in the side of the stove, so it is still a convection model, which the heat will naturally rise up and convect out of the stove, even though it is a flat top. So some people actually prefer the flat top for if you want to be cooking on the stove or something like that. This is going to be a top vent only. It is a 6-inch flue. Your damper control is going to be located directly above the firebox, so this is going to be your air wash, which brings the hot air down over the front of the glass, which keeps it nice and clean burning. Inside the unit, you do have a completely gasketed firebox door, and inside the firebox, you do have standard brick lining on the sides, the rear, and the bottom of the unit. And then again, the bottom door does pull out here. Looks like they have it kind of locked though. So I hope that you guys found this product overview helpful. If you did, if you like our videos, please don't forget, give us a thumbs up, share them with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. God bless and have a wonderful day.